So what I'd like to show you now is some of the other awesome things you can do with Coins.ph. And this is really like a bank in your cell phone. You now become the bank. So if you look across the top line, you'll see it's got PHP, it's got Bitcoin wallet, it's got a Ethereum wallet, it's got a Bitcoin Cash wallet, and they just recently this week released a Ripple wallet. So you can buy different types of altcoins and Bitcoin, which is very, very cool. You can send it to people. So if I have Bitcoin, for example, I can click on send, and I can send this anywhere I want. I can send it to my friends. I can use a QR code, or I enter their Bitcoin address to send it. So I can send Bitcoin anywhere in the world. So this is awesome for people, for example, who are working overseas. If you're an overseas worker, or you're on holiday and you need money quickly and the bank's closed, and you don't want to use the banking services because it's too expensive, you can actually use this to send Bitcoin, and then you can go down to a Bitcoin exchange and you can cash it out. So it's very good for sending cash around. And to cash out, you just use the cash out button, which is halfway down the page, and you can select whichever service you want. So it's very easy to get cash in and out of Coins.ph, and you can also receive from other people. So if they want to send you, this is how you receive it. You can buy load. Okay, so you type in your cell phone number and you can buy load directly here. And as you can see across the top, it says get 10% back on all load, which is very cool. And what's very cool about this is I don't need to go to the shop to do it. Now, one of the coolest things about Coins.ph is this other facility here on the right hand side where it says pay bills. I can literally go in and pay all of my bills. So from Globe Telecom, Sky Cable, BPI, Home Credit, Signals, Sun Cellular, all these different options, Manila Water, PLDT, Meralco, Smart Communications, Broadband, Cable Channel Provider, Coins Exchange, credit cards. In fact, this is how I pay my credit cards. And there's just a whole load of different options: SSS contributions, telecom, tuition fee, utilities. So you know all these people you see standing in line in shopping malls paying their bills, they're just wasting their time. You can do this anywhere in the world. For example, I've got a house in the Philippines, and right now I'm in Thailand. I'm based in Thailand right now. And when I need to pay my electric bill, my Meralco bill, or my PLDT telephone bill, or my smart bills, I use this. I have money on my wallets, and I just pay my bills from here in the Philippines, even though I'm in a different country. So how cool is that for an overseas worker? Let's say, for example, you're in Abu Dhabi or Dubai or Hong Kong, and you're working really, really hard to make money for your family to send it back home. And you want to make sure that they actually pay their bills. I mean, you've heard of people sending money back home and then they take the money and they use it for a birthday party. Well, now you can guarantee that the bills are paid because you can pay it. You can actually go to Coins.ph, load it with money, and actually pay the bill for them. So Coins.ph is really, really powerful. I've been using it now for about 18 months. I absolutely love it. And also you can earn money from this. What's really cool is if I go down to all on the right hand side, those 4 little dots, click on that. There's a promotion tab. So click on the promotion tab, and there it says refer a friend and earn rewards. So every time you send your code to somebody and they sign up and get verified with it, you will get 50 pesos, or about $1, and they will also get that. So let's just say you sign up 10 people a day. Let's say you make a little business out of this, and you have a website or somewhere or Facebook page, and you send it out to all your friends every day. You're getting 50 pesos or $1 for every friend, and you're signing up 10, 20 people a day. You can make a nice little business out of this, or a little sideline. Okay, so Coins.ph is actually awesome. And I hope they appreciate me doing this video for them. You can also, for the people who are a little bit more advanced, towards the bottom you see it says Coins Pro. This is actually a trading platform where you can trade Bitcoin as well. So it's very, very cool. All in a little app. This is an amazing app that is super, super powerful in the Philippines and for Filipinos or anyone who's got a Philippine address. They also have a Thai version, which is Coins.th for those people living in Thailand, and I understand it's also going to Malaysia and some other countries fairly soon. So awesome. Hope you enjoyed this little video and see the power of Coins.ph. Get signed up right now. Click on the link beneath and you will get 50 pesos when you are verified and on the road to getting Bitcoin.